In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot effectively. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking to get more out of it, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through setting up your account, managing your contacts, working on deals, and utilizing powerful marketing tools, all in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's get your HubSpot account up and running. You'll want to visit hubspot.com where you can sign up for a free account. Signing up is straightforward, just provide some basic information and in no time you will be ready to explore everything HubSpot has to offer. Once you've got your account set up, let's dive right into the CRM or contact management tools. HubSpot's CRM allows you to keep all your contacts organized in one place. You can add contacts manually, or if you're migrating from another system, you might prefer to import your contacts via a CSV file. This feature makes it simple to manage and track all your interactions, emails, calls, notes, and tasks, all stored conveniently and accessible from one location. If you're using HubSpot for sales, creating and managing deals is a breeze. Simply add a new deal whenever you begin a sales process or a project. HubSpot allows you to define and progress through different stages of a deal, like new, in progress, and closed. This structured workflow ensures you have a clear understanding of where each deal stands at any given time, and what actions are needed to move them forward. Now let's talk about sending emails. Navigate to the marketing section and then to email. HubSpot provides a user-friendly drag and drop editor that lets you craft beautiful emails effortlessly. Whether you're sending a one-time campaign or planning a series, this tool ensures your email marketing is both effective and efficient. In addition to email marketing, you can also collect leads with forms and landing pages. HubSpot allows you to set up simple forms to gather information from potential customers. You can then create professional-looking landing pages using the Visual Builder, which doesn't require any coding skills. These tools are essential for capturing leads and engaging with your audience directly. Finally, HubSpot's automation capabilities can really streamline your business operations. You can set up workflows to automate a variety of tasks, whether it's sending follow-up emails, assigning tasks to your team, or updating contact records. For example, you can create a workflow where as soon as someone fills out a form on your website, they automatically receive a marketing email. This not only saves time, but also ensures you are consistently engaging with your audience. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to use HubSpot to its fullest potential. With these tools at your fingertips, you can efficiently manage your business, connect with customers, and boost your marketing strategies, all within one powerful platform. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you find this guide helpful.